Hi, in today's video I'm going to explain to you the best way to practice in a demo account. So most brokers, when you create a demo account, you'll be given 10,000 practice money, but trading with a 10,000 is not a good idea, and here is the explanation why. Yeah, so you shouldn't trade with a 10,000 demo money you usually get given in a demo account. Rather, you should trade with how much money you could manage to deposit once done practicing in a demo account. So why am I saying this? Well, trading with a demo account which is having like 10,000 or thousands of dollars to start with, it's actually possible or easier to make more profit as compared to us making profits with an account with, let's say, $100 or $10. Okay, so to summarize, it's easier or possible to make profits in an account with having like $1,000 or $10,000 as compared to an account having only about 10. I'm sure you all know this. I'm sure you've experienced this, that it's easier to make profits in a demo account, but when it comes to a real account, you end up making losses. Well, this is the reason why you make losses, is that because it's easier and it's much better to trade with a lot of money. This is why a lot of Forex professional people usually advise you to start trading with $1,000, but it's not everyone who can manage to start trading with $1,000. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to use or practice in a demo account. So what is the best way? Well, the best way is to decrease the demo money you are given into the money you would manage to deposit. So let's say you're given 10,000 demo practice money, and the only money you can manage to start trading with is a $20. Well, start by decreasing this $10,000, and then when it reaches $20, then start practicing from there. So when I start practicing from a $20 demo money, it will be the same experience as trading in a real account. So the losses you're going to make in here will make it look real, and the profits will make it look real. So if you can make profits with the $20 in a demo account, then it's easier that you can as well make profits in a real account having $20. But if you can make profits in a 10,000, it does not guarantee you that you will make profits in a $20. Okay, so you can as well decrease the 10,000 into a $100. If you can manage to deposit $100, then do it. Okay, so this is the best way to practice with demo money. So you can use this to test indicators, how much you would make if you were to deposit this amount. Also robots, I'm sure there are better ways of backtesting indicators and expert advisors, but this one is the best way if you consider to be trading manually. Okay, so how do you do this? Like, how do you decrease the money from 10,000 to $20 to $100 to $500? Well, brokers don't really have that feature of choosing your own amount. So the only way I've tried which works for me is simply go to the MetaTrader you use, okay, and enter in the largest. So currently in this demo account, okay, there's 10,000 US dollars. So simply enter in the largest lot size possible. So let's try 10 lot size, and simply place in as many. Okay, so simply enter in the largest lot size and place in as many orders as possible. Okay, so 10 has worked. Okay, so the largest lot size is 50. Okay, so click on. Okay, so keep on clicking until it refuses to place a trade. So as you can see, I've currently placed a lot of trades and I'm in negative 146. Okay, so you have to place trades in the different trend direction. So once you're negatives, close them, and again open another trades until you finish all the 10,000 and remain with amount you'd like to start with. So this whole process of trying to reduce the demo money can take up to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, so simply click in as many as possible. Okay, so this is it about today's video. This is how you practice better. So try out this method and let me know how it goes. So this will surely help you out. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you have questions, feel free to comment. For more videos like this, subscribe. Yeah. So if you'd like to know how you can backtest indicators or test your strategies, I might make a video about that again. So simply comment if you'd like to.